so I've got a couple of hours off from work, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go out for a walk with a camera. At the end, I'm going to tell you a really big secret to this wildlife photography thing and bird photography thing. I'm going to leave it to the end. Let's just say it's not really difficult. Last time I was over here was last summer. I saw a kingfisher over here last summer, so I took some nice macro stuff as well with my Sigma 70 to 300mm macro lens. It's quite a nice place, but I'm still not going to tell you what one big secret is. It's so easy, guys. They've got some stand-up hides here as well. As you can see, this one's new actually. Wasn't here last year. Gives you quite a nice view out. Might be quite nice here in the summer. Have you ever had one of them walks where you're thinking, this is actually going to be really nice today, and you know you got to be somewhere in an hour or two, and then you got to be somewhere after that in an hour or two? Oh well, just enjoy it while I can. And trust me guys, that little thing later on in the vid at the end, I'm actually doing it today. I'm actually doing it. So wait till the end and I'll tell you. And trust me, it's no big secret, and you'll go, oh yeah. And this is the one where I saw the kingfisher last year. Perch right in there. Also one further over in the middle of the lake. I do not have time today. Just a brief look around. Shame really. There are so many mute swans on this lake. Here's another two. and I'm guessing there was 20 down at the bottom by the shop. Right then, so that was a really nice walk. Kept it local, just down the road from me. As I said, had a break from a driving lesson today, so I thought, why not? Got the camera with me. Let's go out for a wander. And I saw more than I thought. Wow. Mute swans by the bucket load. I counted 25, 30 of them, you know. And them damn grebes, them crested grebes are teasing me. They were doing the head shaking and all that kind of thing. I'm not sure about the video. I definitely got some shots, so fingers crossed for there. And then they swam to the other side, and they might have done the up in the weeds, and oh, they're teasing me. And that happened in the most unusual place for me. I didn't expect it here. Tree creeper, maybe. Need to look at the book for that. I got all excited. Hopefully got some shots for that. It was just a nice walk. So, what's the thing then? I've been doing it all the time. It's practice, guys. It's really that simple. Get out and play with your kit. Get out and know what you're taking photographs of. You know, what bird species are, their behaviour. Learn their behaviour if you don't know. Just stand and watch for a bit. I've been out, I don't know, a couple of hours, I think. 2.5 hours max. Just for a bit of a wander around my local country park. And I saw more than I thought. And I'm playing with the camera, so normally I shoot wide open. My lens is f5 to 6.3. Is that its sharpest? I don't know. So I went down a stop, f8. I've been shooting at f8 all the time. I always shoot manual anyway. And I started off at around about 1/800, and then went up to 1,000, and then 1,600, I think. Because the light got a bit brighter, and I always shoot ISO on auto. That's what I've been playing with today, so it's not that hard. Get out there, practice, 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 practice. I say it to my driving school pupils all the time. The only way to get better at it is get out there and do it. And spring has sprung. My goodness, spring has sprung. There was stuff everywhere, from daffodils to snowdrops. Even the bluebirds are starting to go now. So that's it. So a bit excited. I saw more. I thought, I've had a lovely couple of hours. Guys, please do hit the like button. People are starting to subscribe as well. Totally appreciate that. Thank you very much. And I'll see you all on the other side. See you soon. Bye-bye.